Hello there. I know you may have come across this video by chance, or perhaps you've been looking for a sign. Well, consider this your sign. The universe is speaking to you right now, and it's telling you not to ignore the message you're about to receive. We often go through life feeling like we're missing something or like there's more to discover. Maybe you've been caught in the routine, maybe you feel stuck, or perhaps you've just been waiting for a breakthrough. I want you to know that there's something far greater than what you've been taught. There's a power, a force, a presence that's within you and all around you, constantly working for you. It's easy to overlook, to dismiss, to think that the good things in life only happen to other people. But here's the truth, everything you desire is already within your reach. The universe is constantly giving you clues, nudging you in the right direction, and providing you with opportunities, but it's up to you to recognize them and take action. You see, so many of us get distracted by what's in front of us, the immediate concerns, the everyday tasks, the challenges that seem overwhelming. But if you take a step back, if you tune in and listen closely, you'll hear it, the universe is screaming at you. It's guiding you to a better version of yourself. It's urging you to wake up, to see the potential that's been there all along. One of the most powerful things we can do as humans is to realize the vast power that lies within us. We are creators. And by changing the way we think, by shifting our mindset, we can change our lives. This isn't some wishful thinking or fantasy, this is grounded in reality. The thoughts you have today are creating your future. What you believe, you create. Now, take a moment and think about your life right now. Are you living the life you truly want? Or are you just going through the motions, hoping things will improve on their own? Let me tell you, you have the power to change it all. But it starts with one thing, changing the way you think. It's all about perspective. When you begin to look at the world through a different lens, you see opportunities where you once saw problems. You begin to understand that everything is working together for your good. Every experience, every person you meet, every challenge you face is part of a greater plan, a plan that you are creating with your thoughts and actions. But here's the catch, if you keep doing what you've always done, you'll keep getting what you've always gotten. So, how do you break that cycle? How do you step out of the mundane and into the extraordinary? It begins with awareness. Awareness that you are a powerful being with the ability to create the life you desire. Awareness that your thoughts are shaping your reality in ways you may not even realize. If you can control your thoughts, you can control your world. This is why the universe is speaking to you right now, why it's nudging you to pay attention. You're ready for the next step. The moment you decide to take control of your thoughts, you open up a world of possibilities. You're no longer waiting for life to happen to you, you're creating it, day by day, thought by thought. But let's get one thing straight, this is not a passive process. You can't just sit back and wait for the universe to do everything for you. You have to take action. When you think differently, you'll start to feel differently, and when you feel differently, your actions will change. And when your actions change, your results change. It's a simple, yet powerful cycle that starts within you. There's a law, often referred to as the law of attraction, that states that like attracts like. In simple terms, the energy you put out into the world is the energy you attract back. So, if you're constantly thinking negative thoughts, filled with doubt and fear, guess what? That's exactly what you're going to attract into your life. But if you start thinking positively, if you begin to visualize your goals and dreams, if you align your thoughts with abundance and success, you'll start attracting those things into your life. The truth is, the universe doesn't discriminate. It gives you what you ask for. And it doesn't matter if you ask for positive or negative things, it will give you exactly what you focus on. So, why not focus on the good? Why not focus on your dreams, your potential, the things that excite you? I want you to stop for a moment and really think about what you want out of life. Not what you think you can have, but what you truly desire. What would it feel like to live your dream life? To have everything you've ever wanted, love, success, abundance, happiness, right at your fingertips? The universe is waiting to deliver it to you, but first, you have to believe that it's possible. You have to be willing to step into the unknown, to trust that your thoughts and your intentions will bring you the life you deserve. And here's the most powerful part: it doesn't matter where you are right now. It doesn't matter what your past looks like or the challenges you've faced. You have the ability to shift your thinking, to create a new reality, starting right this moment. Your thoughts are your most powerful tool, and when you use them correctly, you can move mountains. Don't let the distractions of everyday life keep you from your true potential. The universe is speaking to you in every moment, and it's telling you that you are capable of more than you realize. All it takes is a shift in your mindset, a shift in your perspective, and a willingness to take action. You are more powerful than you think. Your thoughts are the key to unlocking your potential. When you start believing in yourself, when you start aligning your thoughts with the life you desire, you'll see the universe respond in ways you never imagined possible. So, what's holding you back? What's stopping you from taking that first step? The only thing standing between you and your dreams is your own beliefs and your own actions. It's time to break free from those limiting beliefs, to let go of fear and doubt, and to step into your power. The universe is giving you the tools, the resources, and the opportunities. Now, it's up to you to take action. Don't wait another day. Start thinking differently. Start believing in your potential. And watch as your life begins to unfold in ways you never thought possible. You've been given this moment for a reason. The universe is speaking to you, and it's telling you that now is your time. Don't ignore it. Don't let this moment pass by. You are ready for greatness. You are ready to unlock your full potential. Take that first step today. Your future is waiting, and the universe is right there with you, guiding you every step of the way. Your dreams are closer than you think. Trust the process, trust yourself, and trust that the universe is working in your favor. It's time to start living the life you were meant to live. Think of your mind as a garden. If you plant seeds of doubt and fear, you'll grow a garden of insecurity. But if you plant seeds of confidence, possibility, and abundance, you'll cultivate a life that reflects those beliefs. The soil is your subconscious mind, and it's always working to grow what you plant in it. Be careful what you plant, because it will grow, and you'll begin to see the results in your life. What many fail to realize is that the thoughts you think and the emotions you feel are energy. This energy attracts more of the same energy, creating a magnetic pull towards the things that match your vibration. If you're constantly thinking about what you lack, you'll only attract more. But when you focus on abundance and possibilities, you'll start attracting those very things into your life. The universe isn't just sending you random things. It's responding to the energy you're emitting. So, if you want to attract more wealth, love, or success, you must first start by changing the energy you're sending out. That means changing the way you think and feel. Every positive thought, every empowering belief, raises your vibration and sends out a signal to the universe. That signal is then matched by circumstances, people, and opportunities that align with it. As you continue to grow in this understanding, you'll find that the world around you begins to shift. Opportunities will show up when you least expect them. People will enter your life who help you reach your goals. You'll find that things just start to fall into place, but it's not by coincidence. It's the result of the energy you've been putting out and the actions you've taken. But it doesn't stop there. When you begin to align your thoughts with your desires, you also need to align your actions. Thought without action is just a wish. It's important to take inspired action towards your goals. You must take steps, no matter how small, to move towards what you want. This shows the universe that you're serious, that you're ready for the opportunities it's sending your way. Before I go, I want to encourage you to take one final step today. Like this video if you found value in the message. Share it with someone who could benefit from hearing it. And make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can continue receiving these messages that are here to guide you on your path. I want to keep helping you grow and succeed, so hit that notification bell as well. Stay with me on this journey. Together, we can create the life you've always dreamed of.